What else can we make fun of your car for?
We can make fun of your car for not having a working engine.
Yeah, alright, I got you. You can always rely on the camera guy Brian to fucking hit the horn. Nah.
No?
I'm not gonna make the episode.
No?
Beep. Did you hear Brian lay on the horn?
Yeah, I did. He was like,
Vacuum my car.
I jumped a little bit.
Yeah, they're happy their horn works
What the
too.
hell? Wow.
On this episode of Burnout, we do a battle of the V6s between our daily drivers. And I just passed inspection, running on 5 cylinders with a rattling heat shield and smoke coming out the exhaust.
I got a dirty car.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
Oh, hey, Jay.
No.
Remember when we were filming the Lincoln episode and we were like, no one wants to watch us clean the car? That's horrible content. And now like half of this episode is us cleaning our cars.
I still agree with what we said.
Oops. Let me just say this. You can tell my car is better because I don't have to carry around all these fluids.
Well, I save other people by carrying around these fluids.
Do you?
Yeah, I got a Ridgeline group on Facebook. And
Actually, we should probably get lunch soon.
do some more shenanigans, yeah.
Or water at the very least.
Off to lunch.
We gotta feed our camera guys
All right.
so they don't die.
On this episode of Burnout, we don't swap engines, we don't build cool cars, and we don't do well in races. But we have fun.
That's a recipe for success.
You're better with the all-wheel drive, Jesus.
Oh, I hit the cone.
That's all right.
No!
That's all right. That's all right.
Wow.
I'm second right now. Scared of camera guy.
All over. It is all over. On this episode of Burnout, we have a camera guy for the whole time.
He shows himself.